Welcome at Future Crypto Investing. Today we made a list for you, a recovery portfolio for this bear market for you to start with. Those are protocols from different sectors, from gaming, finance, L1s, L2s, so on and so on. Also, we have included tokenomics, so how many tokens are already circulating and how many unfortunately can hit the market, putting a pressure for the price to go down. Those can be tokens held by funds, which will decide to sell at the moment. So those are tokens that with higher risk. So safe L1s with huge potential. All of them have tokenomics is great, more than 70% or 65% in circulation, so safe. Token number 1 Solana, then Matic, Avalanche, Internet Computer, Polkadot, and Near Protocol. Those are safe bets for large amounts of money, 100, 200, 300,000. Easily you can invest, no problemos. And now let's go for more risky but with higher returns. Protocols that can give you real profit and a very nice return on your investment. However, the risk here is much higher. So L1s, L2s, Aptos Labs, that is a competition for Solana, and unfortunately the token does not exist yet. So please just follow them and wait when the sale will come to fruition. Aurora, that's a smart contract platform on Near Protocol. Unfortunately, tokenomics is very bad, only 71 million out of 1 billion tokens. So there's a high probability that somebody will put those tokens into circulation, sell into the market, and diluting the price. Firechain, we talked about it. Firechain is the unicorn of India. They received 1 billion valuation. That is layer 1 blockchain. Unfortunately, token will be available in December. No tokenomics yet. IoTex, great layer 1 IoT, good tech, and tokenomics is fantastic. Almost all tokens on IoTex are currently circulating. Moonbeam and Asta, those are smart contract platforms for Polkadot. Both of them unfortunately have bad tokenomics, but both of them have good future. Unfortunately, there's no rush to get onto them because, as I said, there's a high risk that somebody will sell tokens into the market. Oasis Network, okay, tokenomics. Oasis is cooperating with Meta, so there is some chance for a larger usage. Phantom had a nice run in the last bull market in 21, and unfortunately when Andre Cronje left, something happened to Phantom. There's less builders, less activity. So Phantom is a black horse, but technology of Phantom is still good. They're using DAG, so we'll see. Time will show. Now, one of the most important sectors, which is computing cloud, that sector in centralized servers has the biggest problem with outages, hacks, attacks, and the decentralized computing in the cloud solve all those problems. So in our opinion, that's one of the most important applications of blockchain. And number one, maybe not number one, but one of our top choices is Arweave, because it's a file storage forever. So you upload file, pay once, and it's going to be there forever. Solana is using Arweave, Solana blockchain, so that way validators don't have to store that data, because Solana is producing a lot of data. So that is on Arweave. Second one is Falcon, good backers, good usage. Unfortunately, Falcon does not have a great tokenomics because it's got 2 billion tokens and only less than 300 million are currently in circulation. Render Protocol, very nice, currently cooperating with Solana. And the black horse, Akash, if I remember correctly from former Google employees, is also with OK tokenomics, and that's our black horse choice as well, currently low cap. Gaming, one of the most important sectors as well. Gaming, blockchain gaming received over 50% or close to 50% entire funding for games in the world. So blockchain gaming should pop up on radar screens of many people. So number one, but that's not any order. It's just what we've done. No tokenomics, unfortunately. Moblan or former Sin City. Good game, good backers, interesting take. Ultra, its distribution of games. Tokenomics, unfortunately, is not great. However, they do not have currently many or any competitors. Affinity is a gaming play on Polkadot. Affinity, that's a token from Engine, and that is a main technology, main blockchain for gaming on Polkadot. Star Atlas, token Polis, unfortunately very bad tokenomics. However, Star Atlas is a metaverse space game built on Solana, which is under construction for many years, so a lot of promises here. Illuvium, very good game, very good funders, and very good backers. Unfortunately, tokenomics not great as well. And the one that we want you to follow is Blocklords, not yet released. That is a medieval metaverse and game, also looks very good and has huge number of very good backers. Gaming ecosystem, Gala Games, of course, gaming studio. Tokenomics not great, unfortunately, but that's one of the top choices for gaming ecosystem. Cypher, that's a game studio. Unfortunately, tokenomics also not great, like all of those early tokens. Those are very fresh tokens, so not many of those are released yet. Rainmaker Games, those people, they have a lot of good backers as well. And the last two, Unix Gaming and Guildfy, those are two guilds that we chose, guilds that invest in NFTs, in games. So in our opinion, those two may have chance for, if not dominate, then they have chance to take a big market from current leaders. DeFi, Parallel Finance on Polkadot makes parachains easier, gives you also liquid dot, so you do not lose your dot when you lock in them in parachains. So very good solution, very good backers as well. Parallel Finance. Akala, stablecoin, DEX plus loans on Polkadot. Tokenomics is alright. Minate Finance, it's liquid staking for Solana. Unfortunately, tokenomics is not great. Joe is a main DEX for Avalanche. Tokenomics is okay, more than 50%. Joe is doing well. It's creating new services as well, so Joe is fine. TrueFi, that is a lending platform and stablecoin, fully backed by US dollars. TUSD or TrueUSD. Tokenomics is great. Most of tokens are already circulating. Solend tokenomics is not great. That's a lending platform and leader in dollars locked on Solana. Same for Benki, a lending platform and a leader in dollars locked on Avalanche. Both not great if in terms of tokenomics. And what's the most important and probably in future one of the biggest markets, derivatives. The most important token, the best token that we prefer is GMX. Good tokenomics, good liquidity, possibilities in liquidity providing to earn some money also from trading. Second one is DYDX. DYDX has huge, great backers, and two black horses, Vega and Injective. Metaverse, Wilderworld, unfortunately tokenomics is not great. Zero Tech, that's the protocol that Wilderworld is built on, which is a nice piece of tech, very low cap as well. Network, unfortunately a bit less than 50%, but still doable. And small new metaverses, Sensor, Ultiverse, Utaverse, and ApeCoin, a very good option for you guys as well. Social tokens, Chili's Fun tokens, decentralized social, Gary, and Audius. And interoperability bridges, the most important one is Stargate, Seller, and Synapse, together with multi-chain. So that is all, folks. That's the full list for you to have a look. Obviously, the most important are those that have good tokenomics, so those will be the first ones that we're gonna add. You have different ecosystems here, different sectors, so you should have no problem in being nicely diversified and touch on every aspect of blockchain technology where blockchain can take a big part in the future. Thank you.